In this video, I'll show you how you can add a payment gateway on your Shopify store. Now this is really easy, guys. What you want to do is head over to your admin dashboard, so admin.shopify.com, select the store that you want to do it on, and then head over to the settings. Inside of the settings, you should have one called payments, and inside of payments, what you can do is, hold on, just click on it, there we go. Come in here and you'll have Shopify payments. So what you want to do is you want to complete the account setup, and you can see all the providers right here. So let's just open up this one. You'll be able to see all of the providers that you can use. And you can also use PayPal, and you'll see all of the different methods down here, like gift cards and stuff. So that's basically how it works. But what you want to do is just complete the setup, and then you can get started. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.